Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have c minus 7 is equals to c, and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And here first I can explain why we solve this problem for two methods. So the reason is that if in your exam the question statement is that you need to find the values of c, or you need to find the roots of this equation. So in that case we do our first method. But if in your exam the question statement is that you directly determine about the solution set of this problem, so in that case we you just directly move towards our second method. So but if you focus into the question statement, here you see that here directly you see that the value of c does not exist, but in the first method I can give you a nice techniques in which we can easily find the values of c. So we move towards the solution of this problem, and the very first thing we are going to do is first we need to apply squaring on both of the sides, and this will be written as c minus 7 whole square is equals to c square. And further we use the nice algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have x minus y whole square equals to x square minus 2 times of xy plus y square. So this is our algebraic formula which we can apply here in the left hand side of the above equation. And so that our above equation is written as this is x square, the value of x is c square minus 2 times of c into 7 plus this is 7 square is equals to c square. And further in the next step we need more simplifications, and we move the value c square from right hand side to the left hand side, and we obtain 2 times of 7 becomes here 14c plus this is 7 square becomes 49, and this is plus c square. When we move it into the left hand side it will becomes minus c square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here this is minus c square, this is plus c square are cancelled out by each other, and we will get here this is minus 14c plus 49, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further in the next step we need to move the value minus 14c from left hand side to the right hand side, and we obtain 49 is equals to 14c. So here for the values of c we need to remove this 14 from here, so that's why we divide both of the sides by 14. And you see here this 14 and this 14 are gone, and here we need to cancel both of these two terms with the table of 7. You know about that, 7 sevens are 49 and 7 twos are 14. So here we easily get the value of c is equals to 7 divided by 2. So this is the only one value of c which we get here in the first method. And now in the next step we need to verify that is this value of c be the solution, or is this value of c be the extraneous root. So for verification of this we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is c minus 7 is equals to c. This is our given question statement, and here we substitute the value of c on both of the sides and we check its behavior. So when you put it here it will becomes 7 divided by 2 minus 7 is equals to 7 divided by 2. And now here we will just multiplying both of the sides by 2 in order to remove this fraction, or we write our answer into the simplified form, so that when we multiply both of the sides by 2 it will be written as 2 multiplied by 7 by 2 minus 2 multiplied by 7 is equals to 2 multiplied by 7 divided by 2. This 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here 7 minus 2 times 7 becomes 14 is equals to this 2 and 2 are gone, and we again get here 7, and this is 7 minus 14 becomes minus 7 is equals to plus 7. This shows that both of the sides are not equal, or you see here this is minus 7 is equals to plus 7, so we generally say that it is not possible case minus 7 equals to plus 7. So these values are not equal in general, so it means that the value c is equals to 7 over 2 is not satisfied our given question statement. and we will be called that c divided by c is equals to 7 divided by 2 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous rule because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And further uh, it means that you see here we cannot get any other value of c which is satisfied our given question statement. So finally we will be called that this question has no solution. So this is our final answer which we get here from first method. And now in the next step we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is c minus 7 is equals to 7, sorry, is equals to c. So this is our given question statement, and here we use another technique to solve uh, or we use another technique to determine the solution set of this problem. Here in this method we just move the variable terms into the left hand side. So for this we move the c from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will become c minus 7 minus c is equals to 0. This is minus c and plus c are gone, and we get here minus 7 is equals to 0. So this shows that minus 7 is equals to 0 is not possible case. It is not possible value minus 7 is equals to 0 because it is not equal. And here you see that in the second method we cannot get any value of c which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally concludes about that this question has no solution. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.